How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody is having a great day today. In this video, we are going to install Windows 11 25H2 and bypass the Microsoft account and hardware requirements using Rufus. Alright, let's go. We will need to download the Windows 11 25H2 ISO file and Rufus. Go to Windows Central to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Download the x64 version. Next, we will need to download Rufus Portable app to create a bootable flash drive. Insert a USB flash drive to your computer. Run the Rufus Portable app. Select the Windows 11 ISO file you've just downloaded from Windows Central. Give the volume label a name. Here you can remove the requirement for an online Microsoft account and select other options to customize your user experience. The last option is only required for new computers. You can skip the last option if you have an older computer. The bootable USB flash drive is ready. Boot up the USB flash drive and select it and hit the Enter key. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Agree, then click Next. Click I don't have a product key. Select your Windows 11 version and click Next. Click Accept to continue. Select the disk partition you will install Windows on it. Don't select the USB flash drive. Click Next. Click Install to proceed. Select I don't have internet. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 11 24H2 with the Rufus bootable flash drive. Now you can connect to your Wi-Fi and internet to download the latest Windows updates and drivers. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.